Create electronic documents called web pages. We will listen about video for warm up about HTML, how to create forms. What are the programs which you can use in creating a web page and how? We can use online resources. HTML code, it's a free open source, or JavaScript code, CSS for forms and inserting audio and video. Make a revision. HTML tags include the head part and the body part. The head part had its tags such as title, meta, description, keywords, and the head part include all the many remaining tags such as the image tag, answer for adding links, and video tags and audio tags, and the table tags and form tags. All these tags are inserted in body tags. Also, we can insert style and style tags in title, script. If you use JavaScript, the functions are declared in the head and called from the body. You can listen to this video for creating forms using HTML forms. Students can answer online or answer the online quiz after school. So we make a warm-up revision. Last session we speak about how to create lists and nested lists in using HTML. What are the attributes? What are the main or the core attributes? And the div element, how can use a div element in relation to styles, CSS in head department. So the div element is declared in the body department, but it connected to the styles tags in the head department. Also about web address. So B tag for paragraph, starting tag and has ending tag. The class here has a value, class attribute of class has a value, any value, and there is a content, a sentence, and the closing tag which is /b. Here the open list, ordered list OL, and each item in the list start with LI and close with /LI, it's a per tag, and the list started with ordered list started with OL and ended with /OL. And this code showing you how to write a list, and this is the appearance. An unordered list, the same as ordered list, but unordered list it's a bullet. Ordered list is 1 2 3 4. Writing code of UL under list, same OL, but we change it. Instead of OL we write UL, and the output will be here in Explorer. Attributes, we have main attributes like main attributes, our core attributes, ID, title, class, style. All these are core attributes. Attributes مهمة جدا. The class attribute, a div, it's taken from division. It's a part of the it's like a paragraph. We can access it and give it and edit it with different color, with different style, font, background color. So for every paragraph we can change its font color and background color and size and many properties about this paragraph. So we can do it for many just by editing the style of each. Examples of the attributes in the div: ID, title, style, width, class, and height. These optional attributes like value, left, right, center, justify. This code for showing how to use div. Web address. You can use meta tag to redirect your page to any other web page. You can also specify the duration if you want to redirect the page after a certain number of seconds. Example following is an example of redirecting current page to another web page after 5 seconds. If you want to redirect the page immediately, then don't specify content attribute. So title here in the head, meta name keyword, and the description, okay, and the learning about it tags the meta HTTP equal refresh content بيساوي 5 هنا 5 milliseconds. After 5 milliseconds will be directed to this website, which is www.tutorials.com. So we complete our work of the last session. Also last session we already edited our characters or the characteristics of the web page statement. System school with h1, which is the largest size, and this is heading 6, which is h6, which is smallest heading. So we started heading. We started how to insert picture in web page. We started how to edit, insert link, and how to insert list, and how to insert div and access div in the web page. And we have here the same paragraph, but one with a different with same two diagrams, but different info color and background color and in the place. And this is the code for the div styles in the head department, and the div department in the body at the bottom of the page. Also how to add link, it's appear here in hrefs and how to edit image. It's a tag img image والاتر بتاعتها الsrc، وبعد كده النيم of the picture and its extension والwidth والheight. Don't forget that in what is written in green, which is the comment. This is the syntax for writing a comment, which is not accessed by the processor but for the user or for the program to remember what this code is doing. And here appear the heading. H1 is the most largest, and H6 is the smallest size. It's a bear tag H1 and closing with /H1 and so on. And also in the body tag, starting tag body, the attribute name is page color, and the value here is in hexadecimal, starting with hashtag inserted in quotations. Any value of any attribute is inserted in quotations, okay? And appears here the div section, the attribute is class, and the value is main section, and in the main section is repeated in the head department or head part of the HTML and style tags. And main section has variable properties such as the color and text alignment of text, and the background of the text, and the width of the text. And between every property we have semicolon, and the value of property comes after colon, not equal, okay? And all the properties inserted in curly brackets, okay? So this is the code for div and its related code style. Div is specified in body, but style is written in head. So div tags is written in body, but related with its name of what's its class value in head tag and style tag. Okay. And here the color tag, sorry, the body and the attribute bg color, background color, and the break tag, which is single tag, and the image tag, and the ensure reference tag for adding links, and the image for adding a or inserting a picture. What we will learn today, we will learn about forms, multimedia, how to insert multimedia, sound, videos, movies, and how to make validation. So we need to design this form, which is consisted of 7 items: checkbox, radio button 1, radio button 2, text and password, and send button and receipt button. So how to write the code? The code is appear here. The form is starting with start tag form and ended with /form. So we have in form action. So the action where these inputs or the items of the form will be stored. So it appears in the action. This is will be stored in an PHP file, which is called example_input. Example, the file is named example_input, and it's a PHP file. And method post. But then the items of the form, we have checkbox, one checkbox, its input type a checkbox, name checkbox, and value on. Title checkbox sample, and we have another BR break line. So we have radio button, it's another button input time بتاع radio, and name RV test, and value 1, it's activated. Okay, and another radio button, input radio, name robot test, have to be robot test 2, must change value 2. Yes, it's a name robot test, value 2. So checked title radio button 2 and sample. Okay, text input type text, name text, title text, input sample, وفي بريك وباسورد نفس الفكرة. باس تيست title، بعد كده الانبوت type submit والvalue send. Okay, and this is the form inserted in the body. If we need to validate some item in the form, such as we need to validate some item, so on click we have to add on click and the submit button. So on click equals return F1. So in click call the function F1, and the function F1 is written in JavaScript and declared, this function declared in the script, with the script is inserted in the head part. So we call from body part the input type submit. This is included in one statement from the form statement, like this one. We have the form here, we have the submit at the end, okay, and this one. So submit, in this statement we add on click, because of he click he will submit, and in the same time he call the function F1. What the function F1 do? The function is F1 is declared in the script, which is inserted in the head department or head part. The function F1, if form .text value يساوي dictation, mean no characters in it, so he will alert message appear required field, have to write word or characters in this text box. Okay, this is validation for inserting a text. Audio, how to insert audio, it's very clear, we'll discuss now, and the code is appear here, and it's in blue. This source tag and attribute src equals the name of the file which will be added, and its extension if mp3 or wave, so the type audio MPG. Okay, same like video, but here we forget that the source src code دوت tag دي are inserted in audio tag and close with /audio. The same for video. Inserting video, we have main tags, which is video controls autoplay, means this video will autoplay, after finish will play again, and so on. And this and this is bare tag, so starting with video and ending with /video. And between the videos of the starting and the ending tag of videos, we have the source tag, and its attribute src equals the name of the video and its extension and its type. Okay, and this is the code for audio and the video. It's clear here. Video control auto, which is from step 13 and end at 16, and the code which is relating to the file or movie file, which is a source tag, source attribute src equals inside quotations html5.mp4 والويدز والهايت اللي هو هيظهر فيه الفيديو دوت. اوكي، الاي فريم دوت انا استخدمه عشان اعمل فريم عشان اظهر حاجه تظهر اونلاين، وبرده التاج بتاعي او اللي هو التاج بتاع اي فريم بات الاتريبيوت بتاعي اللي هو الاس ار سي، وقدام الفاليو بتاعت اللينك بتاع الفيديو اللي انا هيظهر بتاعي. وطبعا الاي فريم دوت ليه ويدز وليه هايت، وانا بعمل له ديفينيشن للويدز والهايت بتاعته للفاليو بتاعته. اوكي، الاوديو ذا سيم لايك فيديو but start with audio controls and end with /audio. وبعد كده في عندي السورس تاج، وفي السورس تاج هنا في عندي تو audio files. one is called بالaudio .mp3 والتاني بالaudio.org. okay, thank you for listening. I have this is another resource, you can fetch it and learn from it. The summary, we speak today about HTML forms and how to add multimedia such as sound, videos, movies, and make the forms and make the validation for the form. Any question you can write or comment in this video, and you can write your comment. Subscribe please for this video to continue. Submit for knowing subscribe for to know and be updated with new videos and new things about HTML and other programs like Python, C programming, Visual Basic, and so on. You can find us in social media in these links, in Twitter, in LinkedIn, in YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks for listening.